Hello, my name is John Rock and I'm a partner at DoxAdvisors. Welcome to another in our series of Docs Tips videos. Here's where you learn about unique features in Worldox and tips on how to be more productive with Worldox and sometimes just cool fun stuff. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to use the description line edit feature. Why would you use the description line edit feature? Well, because it saves you time and allows you to make file name edits where you are when you are there much faster. This is a hidden gem and most Worldox users are surprised when I show them how to use this feature. So let me show you how it works. The description line edit feature allows you to make file name edits where you are and when you're there in the Worldox file list window. Oftentimes, reviewing the list of files in the window, you will notice typos or you may want to rename a file. Well, you can, and here is how. Select the file in the list. Here's one with a typo. Here's a file that we want to rename here. Select the file, left click gently twice, and it will open up into an editable window. Here I'm going to rename the file, and when I'm done made my changes, I'm going to click the green check mark. Most Worldox users will hit the return key, but that does not save your changes. You must remember to click on the green check mark. Down here we have a file we wish to rename. Select the file, left click it twice gently, and now you can come in here and edit the name of the file. Once you've made your changes, remember to click the green check mark to save those changes, and we're done. And there you have it. And now you can breeze through the file list and make edits on the go like a pro using the description line edit feature. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Click in the link in the description below for information on our Worldox Academy, where we take you from novice to expert at your own pace. Thank you.